very great out. Yeah, cool. Is that door, pianist? Is your nephew, your cousin? Straight to your mother, all of them. They is contagious influence. Yeah, outcast of law. Oh, I hit me. She come and cash it in and on them all. Random rappers think I support them cause they hit my cow. Mama told me get the ass for baby, your vapor up, doesn't rub itself. Now lady, get your ginger, your ippy and your onion slice. Time to beat up that fool cause you're losing your mind. I sick and tired of this shit. I can't go anymore. You wake up, coughing, meet up, coughing, travel down, coughing. Disturbing class, now coughing, they show eyes, coughing. It's promotion cause you're coughing. Can't even pick up calls cause all the time I is coughing. I woke up that day. I woke up like this. Ladies and fellas, yeah, we coughing. I woke up like this. I woke up.
You want me to come where? To what club? The thing is, I have a special date or date with my bed and my cushions, cause you know. Yeah, lunch. Yeah, I puke out everything I eat.